Hello guys, welcome
Hello
back to our
guys.
channel. How are you doing? My name is Sachin.
And my name is Indu. Our channel name is A
Well,
Family in
Poland.
Poland.
So how's my hairstyle, guys? How's new look? So today we are going to discuss about the how was our haircut experience or
You
how
can say
much
beauty parlor experience or salon experience.
first time.
First time in Poland.
Yeah.
Yes.
So first, I think I will start.
Yeah, you can start.
So first of all, like it's for both of us. Like you cannot go like in India, like you go to any shop and you go and tell ki bhai I want a haircut or I want
An eyebrow.
eyebrow something. Here you have to take the appointment. It's necessary. Like so, some of the parlors we have gone where they are giving appointment like after 5 days. Believe
Yeah,
me.
I had gone it during, I think, when there's a holiday coming up on a Thursday. Monday, I had gone to take an appointment for my eyebrows. And they told next Monday.
Yeah,
There's
next
an
month.
appointment.
I went on Monday and they told Friday you will get it.
Yeah, so
And
here I think it's an appointment based system. But as soon as we go on the time, whichever time it is, they start
start the process.
start the process. It's not that you have to go and wait there.
So when you go and book the appointment, they will ask your name, and they will write down in a calendar like 12:30. Like you might have seen the diaries, which we have seen in our old days. That there will be diary, there will be time written 12:30, 3:30, 1:30. So there will be gaps. So similar diary they have all of them, and they will note down like half an hour. They will note down like your name, and then you have to go there.
Yeah, and somebody had the mobile also. They were doing in the mobile as well, booking the appointment in phone.
Yeah. So I booked like I went to I went to many of the shops and booked one of them. I thought of like let me check the prices, how much prices are there. So generally for I think boys haircut it's like 40 to 45. So 40 for sure and 45 will be there. So 40 is with like when they use the trimmer and 45 is without trimmer. So this one which I haircut I have got, you can see it. So this is 45. So like what they will do, like when you go, like in the told initially. So initially when you go, you will reach that time. They will start the process.
Yes.
So and so I think this haircut which I have got, this is like a common hair. Like most of the people you will find having this kind of hairstyle. So this is with the scissor. So with scissor first she did a like some cutting from here, did some small things, and then she started with the trimmer, and then also like here like many of the salons are having like lady hair cutter,
Yeah, hairdresser.
hairdresser I will say. So they have like lady hairdresser. So I went there and then she did like in 5-7 minutes she did. So this was with the
And,
scissor.
and in India, I think at least haircuts take 15 minutes or something.
15 minutes, but here it was very fast.
Yes.
Because most of the things will be done through the trimmer only. It's not scissor will be initially they will do. So after that, and they will do like they will change different sizes, like for one size, 0 size, 3 size, and then they will do hair, and this thing they will do. So for me it took 5-6 minutes,
Yes.
and I was okay. And so you can see my hairstyle how it's looking. So like
No comment.
there is nothing you can see like we have this thing, but here nothing is left. Everything is clean here. So this was I think, but it was a good experience. Like because everyone is having here this style, so it's not like you are having this. So it's a standard cut hair. So this was with the scissor. Without scissor, I don't know how it will be. Like, will they clean it up or how it will be? I'm not sure. But most of the people I have seen as well, like they will have similar styles here. So I think this is a standard here.
Yeah, and now coming for females. So for females, actually the price range for eyebrows was little high compared to what I do in our India. So here the price range fell from 25 zloty to 50 zloty. So 25 zloty is how much? It's equal to
500 rupees.
500. Yeah.
500.
Yeah, 500 rupees. So in India we pay almost like 40 rupees or something for eyebrows, and there in India we use threading, right? So but here they don't use threads. They use two things. One is what is that? Wax. What's that? Wax strips and tweezers. Okay, so what exactly the outer whatever was extra, she removed it through wax strips, and little extra whichever here it was little there were small growths of hair, she used the tweezers. So it was. I think I just went. It was at 11:30 appointment, but I reached at 11:20. 11:30 appointment. I reached at 11:20, and I think in 5 to 7 minutes I was out. I was out. She was so ready with the boxes and everything, and she cleaned and the everything so nicely in 7 minutes. 7 to 10 minutes, I was out of the parlor with my eyebrows. So I. Yeah, so in India also we take that much time, but here also it was that fast only. But the only thing was price. The other basic stuffs is I think for the haircut.
Yeah, for man haircut, I think I didn't told you like 40, like 40 is like
You told, yeah.
800 rupees or 900
Yeah.
rupees. So that is a minimum.
And for female, I think for long hairs it is almost around. I have not cut my hairs, but I'm just telling you the price. Approximately is fall around 70 to 75 zaloty. So that's like equal to 1600 to 1700
14,
rupees.
1500, 600, yeah.
Yeah, like that it falls out. And there is not a lot of places where you can find all the things which is needed for a woman thing. Like in some parlors which I went to take appointments, actually in near our house, okay, there is one a big store, and there are a lot of parlors back to back. There was 5 to 6. Okay, I went for every of them to know the price for doing eyebrows. So in some there is only nails, manicure, pedicure, only these three things, and there is no other things like waxing, eyebrows, or anything like that. So I think we have to go to the multiple parlors to know the correct price and the reasonable price in which you can do whatever you want to do, like eyebrows, waxing, or anything. Obviously, the price is costlier what you'll find from India to here, but the service which they provide is really, really good. The hygiene is very good, I feel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cleanness
because they
was.
have separate boxes and everything. They have kept it, and it is very clean, right?
So like combs which you see, like if you go to big parlor, then I think it's that standard here. So,
Yes. In India, how big parlors? But yes, you have to take your appointments. That's very important. And I had actually taken an appointment for 50 zaloty one, the eyebrows. I thought, okay, I think that's the price. We have to do it. But then I got this more cheaper one that's at 25 zaloty, and I went for that parlor. But yes, there are Indians also who do provide women services, like women parlor services. They come home and also do it. But she was not available. She was very far from my place. It was like 1 hour travel, so it did not make sense for her to travel 1 hour for just for eyebrows. And even I wanted to do vaccine also, it wouldn't make sense. 1 hour she travels and come down. But yes, for facial and all, she can come down, and her price was also comparatively reasonably less to what it is in the standard parlors. But yes, overall it is a good experience. But yes, the cost is little high. That's all.
yeah. So guys, hope you liked our experience,
Yes.
and we will share more experience, like whatever we feel, whatever we do here.
Whatever is the first time for us, yeah.
For us, so that you can prepare your mind and you will know like how is the feeling here. So guys, if you liked our video, please like, share,
Please
subscribe.
like, share, and subscribe.
So bye bye, take care.
Bye bye. Take care.